Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we write notes on piano keyboard. Here we have the bigfun 37 key piano and I have pasted some sticker on it. Hey friends, it is very easy to label any piano keyboard. The white keys are called natural keys and the black keys are called sharp or flat keys. The labels of the musical alphabets are A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Let's see. There are a set of 2 and a set of 3 black keys repeated over and over. Set of 2, set of 2, set of 2, set of 3, set of 3, set of 3. Here is the most important point. You just remember one thing, that is every key before the set of 2 black key is labeled as C. Every key before the set of 2 black key is labeled as C here. Every key before the set of 2 black key is labeled as C here. Here. Every key before the set of 2 black key is labeled as C. Marked as C. Here I mark C. Every key before the set of 2 black key C. Here C. Now simply write in alphabetical order. C, D, E, F, G, A, then B, C, D, E, F, G, and then A, B, C, D, E, F, here B, A, G and F. Simply write in this format. Now the black keys. These keys are known as sharp keys as well as flat keys. Sharp keys are denoted as this and flat keys are denoted as this. Now every black key after the natural key is its sharp key. Here F and this is F sharp, G this is G sharp, A this is A sharp, now C this is C sharp, F this is F sharp, and every sharp key is half step higher than the natural key. This is F natural, this is F sharp, this is half step higher than the natural key, D sharp. Simply write here F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, A sharp, here C, C sharp, here D, D sharp, here F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, A sharp, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, C, C sharp, D, D sharp. Every black key before the natural key is denoted as flat keys. Every flat key is half step lower than the natural key. Here G, then this is G flat, half step lower. A flat, B flat. Now simply write G, G flat, A flat, B flat, D flat, E flat. Here G flat, A flat, B flat, D flat, E flat. Here G flat. Here A flat. Here B flat. Here D flat. Here E flat. Thanks for watching, friends. Please like and subscribe our channel for more unboxing videos. Thank you.